My name is Teresa, but you can call me T. Nacho was wanting mama love, so that's what he's getting. Today's video is combining some ingredients that I had to make a very delicious dinner. And it's a very simple dinner. I'm using rigatoni pasta, but you can use any pasta that you prefer. I can my own chicken, so I have canned chicken, but you can also use store-bought canned chicken if you'd like. And then I have canned green chilies that I buy from the store and canned diced tomatoes that I bought from the store. And you just add it all up with some seasonings like my seasonings are garlic powder, onion powder, and ground ginger. Don't forget to put salt and butter in there, and it is absolutely delicious. We scarfed it down. We didn't have any leftovers. It was divine. You will love it. It's a one-pot meal. It's very easy and very healthy because you know what's in there. Here's the video. What you need for this delicious recipe is a box of penne rigate, or any pasta you would prefer, a can of chicken, 1 can of diced green chilies, 1 can of diced tomatoes with juice. You will also need a tablespoon of butter, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, and salt and pepper to taste. First, you want to cook your pasta to your desired softness, then remove the water. I would recommend using a bigger pan than I am using because later I had to switch out for a bigger one. Now that your water has been drained, add in the tablespoon of butter, tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, salt and pepper to taste, and blend well. Now add in your diced green chilies, your canned tomatoes with juice, and your canned chicken. I had to get a bigger pot so that I could stir in and allow all my ingredients to marry and heat up to the same temperature. Serve in a bowl with cheese or asparagus across. Bon appetit! Doesn't that look yummy? Oh, it was so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoy it. Until next time, I bless you. Bye.